Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are you guys doing today? Now, today, this is gonna be a bonus video. Wow, look at this. Look at this, baby. I am in a Forex trade right now. Now, I don't usually show my account, and I never will. This is an account I personally do not care about, okay? I think it's not my Forex funds. This is, I forgot. This is the 5% one, right? And I'm just trying it out, and God, I hate it so much. It's only a 1 to 10 leverage, and that kind of leverage goes completely against the type of trading that I'm into, right? So before I even get into the analysis or anything, like me, I like scalping, right? So if I entered here and I got out here, I could have had like, obviously there is like, let's say, let's say this is with the entry with spread, and this is the exit. I could have gotten myself a 1 to 3 in just a couple minutes, in and out, bing bang bosh, right? So I personally don't care about this count, so I'm willing to show it, but I will say, um, I'm in a nice sell right now on both my accounts. I do have a main one, and then I have this one. This one's kind of smaller. It is smaller, and pretty much so right now I'm selling off gold, and the reason is because just based off the structure, I believe overall gold is in an uptrend, right? Let's just get this out the way right now. Gold overall is in an uptrend, so I'm only going to be this short term, temporarily. But I know how gold works, right? So every time there's kind of one of these pumps, right? Let me get my brush, right? We have like these pumps, then we have some kind of like pullback, pump, pullback, pump. Then we're kind of going sideways, and I was like, okay, there's going to be some type of pullback. Now, I believe before we pump again, we're pretty much going to go into this like institutional candle, right? That's personally what I think. But um, you're still wondering, okay, that's cool, but like, what also made you, want to confirm, other confirmations? And for me, if I go on a 30-minute and I actually clone this, there we go. We could pretty much see that there's like this candle right here, or these couple candles, and then we had multiple candles trying to push up and reclose pretty much below this, which for me was a further confirmation that we're going to be going further down. Now, pretty much, I prematurely entered on this account. I did have this already drawn up, and on my other account, I did enter on the 5-minute sell right here. This is the candle I was targeting. Let's see if it shows on a 15. No, it doesn't even show on a 15. Maybe it shows on a 4, a better one. 3. You could debate 3, or sorry, 2 was the best one, but I was pretty much looking at the 5-minute, and I was like, okay, this is pretty much the last up candle before the down move. So that's why I had this block area drawn out, and I pretty much entered, was pretty much right here. So right here at the white line. On this account, I did enter a little lower because, like I said, I don't care. If I scale this account, I will. This account is the one we go from 25k to 50k to 75k to 100k, and but it's 1 to 10 leverage, so it's an absolute snooze fest. Like, I tried to use a higher leverage and I simply couldn't. I can only use 0.3. 0.3 is so depressing. I wanted to use like a 1.50. You know what I'm saying? A 1.50, brother. We would have had 5 times. Would have been in $1,000 right now. But yeah. But anyways, so this blue line, right? We are probably gonna pull back, retest this, and then go further down. In my opinion, I will say overall, my area where I'm trying to look to cash out is below this. I think this wick will for sure get taken out, and like I said, I believe we're gonna go all the way to this candle right here, right? Somewhere here, right? If we maybe go in the 30-minute, 45, I mean, this all looks good. 2 hour, it's a little messier, right? The candle could technically go above here. Did we already cash out? We're about to. We're about to on this account. On that account, I still have to pass, right? But look, this is how it's looking, and it's looking very nice, right? So it's gonna be something similar like this, and it's gonna be something similar like this, and pretty much that's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's break this down. Let's go 15 minutes. Okay. 5 minutes. So for straight, almost 10 minutes. Actually, not really. It's been more like 6 minutes. We've been selling off really heavily. I will expect a a slowdown probably sooner than later, right? But overall, I do believe we're just gonna smash this. I believe we're gonna smash this so soon. I'm so confident. Now on my other account, I actually might cash out soon because I am scalping and I have a better entry and a tighter stop, right? So pretty much, what was the white around the white line? Let me look at my phone. Okay, so it was a little worse because of spread and stuff. So like, let's just say here, my stop was here. So on my thing right now, we are up around 4 times. So I will actually start cashing out and I'm done on my main account. Now on this account, I am going to hold it. I am going to hold it a little longer. I don't think we should go back up and go past this red line before we go back down. So I am going to hold it and I'll let you guys know what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many Jamals are in my store? Okay, wait. Let's do path. Path. So here. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade longer term. All right, boys and girls. Right, as you saw, there was random cuts in the video and stuff. Random times of me talking. We are, many minutes later. Right. This is where I kind of drew where the general prediction of, where the price was gonna reject. It went a little bit higher. Probably played into this candle right here. Actually, if we're going to 1 minute, let's see. Is there any clear indication? Because usually, like, yeah, into this. Usually the price action never lies. The candles never lie. I mean, went into this 5 minute. It's clear as day. Jesus. Right? So it's looking good right now. It's still not set in stone, obviously. Right? But pretty much something like this. Right? We had the up move. Now I'm gonna go down. Right? This is the down. Then we're gonna have the up, probably up a little bit, and then we're gonna continue pushing down. Remember, this all has to make sense. It can't just die off right away. And ladies and gentlemen, I mean, my scalping trade on my other account, where did we cash out? We cashed out, I remember this. I'm going to 1 minute. It was already, we cashed out like somewhere here, remember? And yeah, it was beautiful. It was a beautiful 1 to 4 trade. Right now, I'm currently in Poland, and Jesus, the amount of money I made on that account, when you convert it to the Polish dollar, I mean, I just made people's like whatever they make in 3 months, like right now, or even more. I don't know. I don't know the average monthly salary here is, but Jesus, so beautiful. That's why I might be. Side note, it's not even related to trading, but that's why I might move to Poland just for like a year, live with the family. Cause guys, like, I mean, you could even make $1,000 here a month US, right? And you'll be living pretty good. Um, Especially if you live with somebody. Now, if you're not living with somebody, you might need like 1,500 US. But I mean, what is that? Come on, like nowadays it's not the easiest to obtain, but like it's not impossible, right? You could do some kind of business, trading, like YouTube, some kind of entrepreneurship, something, right? There has to be something out there. Um, we are going up higher, not what I want to see, right? 5 minute, still looking good on the 5 minute. On the 15 minute, it's still looking good. So, yeah, but like, guys, yeah, you could like be here. Like right now, I'm living with at my mom's place. So if I didn't have to like help her out or anything, like just say I was being completely selfish, I could live a great life on like 700 US a month, and that's like at the bare minimum. Even 500 US a month would be like 2,000 their currency. I could be going to like restaurants thing every day. Yeah, no, but obviously like I said, that's like the bare minimum if you're living with someone and you have to pay rent. But uh yeah, Jesus, it's you really don't have to make that much on trading in American to be living like a king in many countries. So I might, you know I might just move here for a little bit, what I'm saying, just travel Europe for the next year or so and have Poland as a station. uh because why not? I mean, simply why not? I think it's a great idea. And yeah, most of my money goes into crypto though. Right now, right? I know this is an actual like trading video, but most of my money goes into crypto. If we go into many of our coins. Most of our coins are doing all right. Fed is obviously all these coins are lower right now. Bitcoin's 72K. Render's below $10. But yeah, I mean, I just keep anything I make from trading, like most of it just goes into thingy, right? Crypto. A little bit of payments. I only have like $300 of payments a month. I'm very blessed in the position I am, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, I mean it's looking good. Look, this thing is selling off, melting exactly how I said it would. And we are definitely going to be going below this blue line. And I'll see you guys when I see you. All right, when we look at it from this perspective, actually, I see it more clear than I did on the thing. But you see how like this pretty much you can tell like one candle, two candle, three candle, four, five, 6 wicks pretty much, right? And you have the candles going up. I mean, like 6 wicks were here. This just rejected off this, all these wicks. Now we're pushing lower. Boom, easy, right? We could probably cash out here. I remember this personally, this account is not live money, right? But I'll never, you guys, like, if this became my personal account, I'm not showing you my personal account. I'm the type of person I am. Keep my money to myself and everything. You know what I'm saying? I could give little hints and clues, but I'll never show the exact amount. But this one is a demo account. That's what I don't care about. This is a poo demo account. I have like 3 accounts. This is like the least one I care about is just logged in. The other one, the main account is on my phone. So on the other 2 accounts, I just didn't trade on today because I said fuck it, let's make a video. But yeah, like we probably should even get a nice like 2.5%, but it should be much higher. But this leverage is so bad on this account. Like seriously, like my stop loss like was here or something. I forgot what it was. And like, even take profit over here, like, bro, that ratio would have been like a 1 to 5, 1 to 4 down here because of the leverage. It's just terrible. This, like, don't get the 5 account. It's terrible. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and that's it. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? In a trade for about 2 hours, I said pretty much exactly what it's gonna do, right? If we go here on Google, right? Let's see, do I actually have the drawing out? I do. So it was a little different. Okay, I did not expect pretty much a double top rejection, but pretty much went up here, right? Went down, up, and then down further. And yeah, it's just looking absolutely beautiful. I mean, this was actually a pretty easy move in my opinion, right? On the 30 minute, it looks like this, like this. On the 45 minute, it looks extremely clean. On the 1 hour, right? We had down, we broke this whole thing, right? Then we went up, we rejected off it. Then okay, confirmation, rejection, boom. Look, in 11 minutes, pretty much, we've been absolutely just going down further and further. So it's that simple, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I personally, most likely, right? Most likely, I don't know why I sounded like that. Most likely will be looking for a buy in this area for it to go back up because there is no confirmation that we are in a downtrend. We're just pulling back right now. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you next time.